channel, Dustin Lee Outdoors. It's been a few weeks since I went fishing. Spent the last couple weeks chasing some alligators around, which we did have some luck. Got a couple 6-footers, so not bad for a couple first-timers chasing alligators. But anyways, a couple days post hurricane, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna shoot up to the Ponce Inlet jetty and see if we can get some mullet on the way up there, and then see what happens. And then after that, we'll just kind of play it by ear and see how it goes. See what the weather's like. It's pretty nice right now, but the wind's supposed to pick up, so we might end up dipping back into closer inshore. So that is the game plan for today. Hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. Shoot. Getting hit. There we go. Oh, man. All right, well, we got the skunk out of the way. Alrighty, this came up and slammed it as it was dropping down. Play my cards right. Get my shrimp back here. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Are you serious? Man. Is there any way I can snag that? God. Unbelievable, dude. This is not the... unfrickin' real. Ooh. Oh, come on. I thought I hit my... I thought I hit my rod there, but it was just a ladyfish. I don't think we're losing another rod. That is absolutely absurd. Unbelievable. Oh my God. What is that nasty shit? Man, I am bummed out. That was one of my favorite rods. I don't know. Likelihood of me getting this thing. I need to put on a different... God. That really sucks. How does that happen? That thing destroyed my voodoo. I swear they make these things cheaper and cheaper. But I don't know. I bet you that catfish is just cruising around with my rod attached to him. I need to tie something else on here. That is unbelievable. I'm an idiot. Freaking idiot. Well, I think I'm gonna give up fishing my rod and go try to catch some fish. Off to a bad start. Over here, I keep getting, come on, I keep getting distracted. By everything. Saw some action over here, so we'll see if we can get into it and not lose my rod. Ooh, this current's been pretty good. Get a little bit closer to the shoreline if I can. Someone's gonna want that. Gotta be something in here. Come on, something. Smash that. Ooh. There's a pot of tarpon up there. See, this is why I get distracted. Ooh, I could try that. Gotta be something sitting under those logs. Come on, smash it. Be a pretty quick battle with a tarpon if they hit on this rod. They'd be gone pretty quick. I think what have I got in here? 20-pound braid, maybe 10-pound leader. Pretty light. Huh. Alright, well, no luck there. Whole lot of nothing. Okay. See if we can go a little further without stopping. Any bending rods, any waders. Some mud out here too. Alright, let's creep in. There we go. Take too long. Little Jackie, huh? Keep this guy for later. Ouch.
some good shark bait for later. Definitely take that. Oh, dang, I got slammed there. Right there. There we go. Another jack. Yep. One with those guys later. You're nuts.
Now comes the hard part.
Yeah.
Party the tide.
Ooh. This guy, I don't think he's gonna be there. What the fuck? Nice little sheep's head. Hello. I don't think he's there. No. There we go. This feels a little better. Ooh, there we go. Nice, dude. All day with these fatties. Hell yeah. Fat mangrove. I'll slam this. There we go. Little sheep. Lucky hook set on that one. This might be close. Yeah, I think this one will make it. I think this will make it. take that. Ah, fucker. Ouch, 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 ouch. Nice mangrove. There we go. Feels like another snapper. Oh yeah. Light one. Measure this one. I think he's probably 10.5. Sweet. One more. Now they're picking up. Come on. There we go. I'll be that last one. Feels feels like a freaking catfish. There we go. Ladyfish slammed it. Really big marks down there. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, come on, come on, come on. No. Nice little sheep's head. What is this? Haha! That's pretty sweet. Wasn't expecting that. Easy, big fella.
There we go.
What do we got here? Feels good. Come on, baby. I can't remember if I retied or not. Feels kind of like a redfish.
Yep.
Take that all day long. We'll take that all day long. Everything loves the red jit. Oh, come on. Not bad. Nice little spot on him. Sweet. We'll take that. What do we got? We got a red snook. Oh, I need a trout yet, huh? Trump prayed is good luck. Alright, well that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Overall decent day. Unfortunately I lost one of my custom rods early on. First fish, little junk catfish. Devastating, absolutely devastating to lose that. But had a good time out at the jetty, got into some nice mangroves. What else is out there? A couple jacks and stuff like that. Some few more catfish, and then came in back inshore and got on a decent little snook and a nice redfish too. So overall not a bad day, but having some issues with my remote for the Tarova. It's froze. I was sitting there on spot lock and then the remote froze up, and so I don't know what the deal is there. But more things to deal with. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.